Hi, welcome to Tag Investments. My name is Anuj Gupta, your strategic wealth partner. So today we're going to discuss about IPO, which stands for Initial Public Offer. So there are a lot of IPOs which have gone by and which will come in the near future, and investors are perplexed as to what does IPO mean, why they should be investing in an IPO, and what's in it for them as an investor. So we'll try and cover up this topic in this video today. So we'll start with the Google definition of what does an IPO mean. So let us type what does an IPO mean. So basically, the Google definition says IPO is the process by which a private company can go public by sale of its stock to general public. After IPO, the company's shares are traded in an open market. Those shares can be further sold by investors through secondary market trading. So basically, IPO it stands for Initial Public Offer. In simple language, a private company which was not listed on the exchange wishes to go public for two reasons. One, they want to offload their shareholders' stake to the public. Secondly, they want to raise fresh capital to expand their capacities, whether it's a product capacity, whether it's the service capacity, whether it's the geographical capacity and reach. So that is why generally an IPO is launched by a company. So a private company goes public. So that is what an IPO means. Now, what's in it for the investors when they apply for an IPO? Again, let us start with a Google definition. So, how does an IPO benefit investors? Let's see, what does Google say? So, advantages of IPO. It says the primary benefit of going public via an IPO is the ability to raise capital quickly by reaching a large number of investors. A company can use that cash to further the business, be it in form of research, infrastructure, or expansion. So this basically talks about the advantage of IPO from a company standpoint of view. But we are talking about what is benefits of investing in IPOs. Let us see what this is. By investing in an IPO, you can enter the ground floor of a company with a high growth potential. An IPO may be a window to rapid profit in a short time period. It may also help grow your wealth in the long run. Suppose you invest in a young company that sells disruptive technology. So here what it means is that for an IPO as an investor, there's something called as listing gains where you can invest in IPO with that thought process for a listing gain. And second, as it says that it's the ground floor or it's the starting point to enter into the company from an investment standpoint of view, from a long-term point of view. So we would have heard stories that somebody would have invested in Infosys, Wipro almost 30-40 years back, and today just an initial lot size of 10,000 odd rupees, and today they're if they were to stay invested today, it's reached almost in crores, like 100 crores, 200 crores. So that's the value of those shares if they were to hold on. So that's the IPO is an entry point to take exposure to a company. So I think I'll like to stop here. At the same time, we'll also see what are the upcoming IPOs which are coming in the market. So in case if it interests you, you can actually apply for those IPOs after studying their credentials. So upcoming IPOs in India 2020. So these are few of the IPOs which will be coming. Mindspace Business Park, Rosary Biotech has already come. These were already launched. So let us see what Economic Times have to say. So Angel Broking, I believe today is the last date. Then we are coming up with UTI, which starts on 29th. Then Likhita Infrastructure, Mazagon, Dock Shipbuilders. So so on and so forth. So you can search that on Google. So these are the recently listed IPOs, just to name few: Root Mobile, Happiest Mind. So they almost gave a whopping 120% returns within a week, 10 days as a listing gain. So net, basically IPO is a beautiful way of entering into a stock, into the stock market through the primary route, and then once it gets listed, you can actually buy and sell that particular stock in the future through the secondary market. So that's it for the moment. Thank you so much for the watch. In case you've not subscribed the channel, please do hit the subscribe button uh, and keep watching our channel for more informational videos such as this one. In case if you wish to get onto a 15-minute strategy call with us, there is there's a link below in the description box where you can click and suggest and get onto a 15-minute strategy call with us by scheduling a convenient time slot as per the time availability of you and us. Thank you so much once again for this watch. Have a good year ahead and a happy financial life. Thank you so much.